I said, we're going to that thing Thursday. She goes, what are you doing for New Year's? Oh, we should go to that hotel where the ice thing is. I said, Deb, that's what I'm doing Thursday. Oh. I think she got it now. I'm going to an ice. Shut it, Stevie.
Maybe.
I know, I changed my shirt because I thought it was going to be too hot in that blouse, but...
It's not hot out. Not with the overcast.
Oh, she just put the blouse back.
You'll be inside, aren't you?
Yeah, well, yeah. Could we take a ride maybe over by the coast or something?
Is there a garden restaurant over there?
Ghosty girl. Ghosty girl. Ghosty girl.
What? You tell me where you want to go, we'll go. I was just, you always
Capital
said...
Grill or Seasons 52?
Yes, we're not dressed up for Seasons 52. You got to be dressed up for there.
Not this time.
Yeah, get him, Ghost. Oh, he ran away. Ghosty girl. What happened? What happened? He run away. He run away. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
The one down on International Drive. Remember?
And the toy is all alone.